seaweed holds a vital place in the health of our oceans. This is especially true for the coastlines of the British Isles. Our cold, nutrient-rich waters are a haven for many native kelp species, allowing them to grow into sprawling underwater forests rich in biodiversity. Among these species, the most prominent is the genus of Laminaria. Our coastlines exist in a delicate balance, dictated by the wind and tides, and there are few places where this statement rings truer than in the southwest of England. Cornwall is known for its high degree of biodiversity, playing host to some of the country's most delicate marine ecosystems and animals. Kelp plays an unparalleled role in conserving these rocky shores. These large brown algae live in cool waters and are dependent upon light for photosynthesis, a process by which the kelp can harness the sun's energy to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen and food. Because of this, kelp forests form in shallow open waters and are rarely found deeper than 30 metres. They act as the foundation of coastal food webs and harbour a greater diversity of plants and animals than almost any other ocean community, with many organisms using the thick fronds of the kelp as a shelter from rough storms or to protect their young from predators. Even when washed up on the beach, kelp can still act as a habitat for coastal animals. Kelp plays host to a vast array of marine creatures. One of the most abundant in the kelp forests of Cornwall is sea mat, otherwise known as bryozoan. Sea mats are a colony of individual animals called zooids, which fill to feed on phytoplankton and are found on the fronds of seaweeds on the rocky shore. This particular species is known as Membranopora membranacea and is characterized by its rectangular-shaped structure. They are predated by many creatures that reside on the lower end of the marine food chain, such as blue-rayed limpets and nudibranchs. They are a vital food source for small animals and sustain biodiversity within the kelp forest. Bryozoan also resides on other species of seaweed, such as racweed. These tend to be present higher in the tidal zone, and therefore out of the water a lot of the time, making it more difficult for some marine species to reap the benefits. The kelp forests also harbour some species of larger marine life, such as spider crabs and shore crabs. These species feed on seaweed, mussels, barnacles, and even smaller crabs, all of which are abundant in this environment. They are adapted to survive in the harsh swells of the Cornish rocky shores, but it is still incredibly dangerous. They therefore use the seaweed as protection and camouflage. Kelp also acts as a natural breakwater, absorbing wave energy during storms and reducing coastal erosion along Britain's vulnerable coastlines. The effect of kelp on Cornish waters is undeniable. They are a silent protector that surrounds our cliffs and beaches, capable of protecting ecosystems from raging seas, of promoting biodiversity and ecological development. Their effect is felt across the coastlines of every ocean they border, and are a vital component in the preservation of our seas and everything that lives within.